Alright, we've got our head here, and we're going to work on the mouth now, but the head's all sanded down. So we're going to work on the mouth. So we got the mouth here, and we're going to put our hinge on. So you want to center your hinge here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
A rodent's reportedly trained to scratch its flesh where they detected drugs.
And we're using a 1-inch hinge. And this is what we'll use to be able to open and close the mouth. As you can see. And then we cut a block here, which is going to fit inside the mouth. And that's going to go in there, and then we'll screw that in from each side to hold it.
What is the life expectancy of a squirrel? Isn't that a lot of time and effort?
Not much, because they are not really good at avoiding tires.
I'm going to put this on,
Yeah, I would
block.
I got to get out of Sonora, Mexico here. I'll be right with you. It's so fun and games. You get a squirrel all methed out. You think they're insane now? You know, left, right. Go, where am I going? They don't really know how to cross the street for you.
No, they don't.
Now, they'll psych you out, won't they? Average life expectancy for a gray squirrel at birth is 1 to 2 years. The average lifespan of a adult. So, I think Christy's point probably is going to be, you train these things in the next year later.
6 years.
That's not a bad investment. Records for maximum lifespan for a squirrel, 12 years in the wild, and my husband got malaria from a stream. We're literally
Raised it and kept it indoors. Wouldn't have fleas.
look how he loves it.
Tighten it down.
No,
It is.
probably depend on the state, I assume. State by state. How long have we been in this room? I think I could tell you. Why do you think so?
By attaching this block on the inside, then the mouth will open and close properly.
Well, I mean, you guys can read it. It's an exciting story about the Sonora, Mexico. I know what you mean. The jumping man.
So we're going to slide the mouth in where it goes.
I was very interested.
I wanted to know that. It was interesting. There was a chance for being a little offensive. I like it.
And then we'll put this where we need it, in here.
Really offensive because you haven't seen Mexican jumping beans in a long time. No, you haven't.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, that's probably because, I don't know, toxicity comes to mind. How long does
We all had them as kids. So.
I had a gag when I was a kid. It was an envelope and it said rattlesnake egg.
Yeah.
We're going to mark this.
It was like this piece of, like a metal wire with like a rubber band, so when you kind of opened it up, it was... Oh, I loved it. My family pretended to be scared by that many, many times.
So we got it marked for our block.
Prescription products require
So then what we'll do is we'll measure.
determine if a prescription is appropriate. Restrictions apply. See website for full details and important safety information. Subscription required. Hey guys, did you know there's a generic form of Viagra that works just the same, but is 90% cheaper? And you can get it online? Just go to 4hims.com.
3 inches there.
And Hims you'll get a free medical consultation, discreet shipping if prescribed, a 100% online process,
So we'll mark this
and
outside.
trusted generic alternatives to the biggest brands at 90% off. That's right, get generic for Viagra, the same active ingredient as brand name Viagra, but 90% cheaper. It's the same medication you get from your doctor, but with
Do the
zero
same to
copay,
this side.
no expensive appointments, and no awkward face-to-face conversations. To start your free online visit, you need to go to this exclusive address,
Find our center where we want to go here.
forhims.com/joy for your free online visit. forhims.com/joy.
Right down in here.
Hi, who's that? We'll go with Kevin. Okay, Kevin. All right, Kevin. What's up, man?
About a month and a half ago, I walked in, my fiance walked in and found me looking at some adult entertainment on the laptop.
Yeah.
Picked up the laptop.
We got that there.
Cat-like
So we
reflex
gotta
was
see
like,
if where a hole's gonna line up.
New flat screen TV, took it right through the middle of it.
Solo work by
That's pretty good right
Oh yeah, well, I should just take it in the face because then I could at least watch the DVDs I had.
there. Deal out this side.
yeah, but broken eyes.
And if you're a little off, just adjust your where you're screwing it to. So we gotta come this way some.
Never find another flat screen TV. They quit making them. This report is sponsored by Taco Bell. Going too far with its
We got that.
all you need in the morning is tasty, simple food.
And we want to
French wrap, fluffy
take this out a little bit. That's so we can inset our screw. That way we inset the screw and then we can cover it, use putty to cover it up later. So I'm going to use inch and 5/8 inch screw. So we get this set where we want it. Do this side.
You'll find in average stores 1, 2, 3 carat diamonds and larger in stock every day at the guaranteed best price in Ohio. And the Diamond Professionals to help you create not just your ultimate diamond ring, but a true family legacy. So when you want to say I love you, if it's time for that second diamond, come to the castle.
Okay, so now we'll put the mouth back in. And we'll probably have to adjust it down in here so we get it to open and close enough. We're going to set this in here for now.
iHeart Podcast is excited to welcome Jay Shetty to the iHeart family. Tune into On Purpose with Jay Shetty, the hit podcast where the former monk shares fascinating conversations with insightful people.
So we can screw this in.
Life today, On Purpose.
Try something new. When was the last time you did something for the first time with your partner? We're used to watching them
And
do the
this
same
side.
thing, the same activity. Let's see them do something fresh and new.
Listen to On Purpose with Jay Shetty on the
Set a
iHeart
little
Radio
bit.
or wherever you get your podcast.
So we're going to put a little drop of glue on this end here on the side so it doesn't turn on us when we're operating it. Well, the mouse not bad at that point. So I think we're okay with the mouse, so I don't think I'll make any adjustments here. So we'll tighten this down, glue it, and let it set, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.